Here is my basic snowboarder, semi-in-depth, partially comprehensive review of the new Insta360 Go 2 in 4 minutes.
He's okay!
I'm giving away this Insta360 Go 2 action camera here. All you have to do is scroll down and like the video and make sure you are subscribed. I will be picking a winner here within the next 2 weeks. Good luck to you all. If you're new here, my name is Alfred Romero and welcome to the Wave Gretzky Show. Let's jump right into this video. By the time you see this, it is 1 week until closing day at Bear Mountain, and all I want to do is ride my snowboard. For the longest time, I've struggled to find the best action camera that I actually enjoy using on the mountain. And although I don't think I've found it quite yet, I do believe I'm close. Let's talk about what comes in the box. We've got 3 attachments, including a hat clip, an adhesive mount, as well as a magnetic necklace. All of these items are pretty cool, no doubt, but being 100% honest with you, I actually don't see myself ever using these. In fact, I had to pay an additional $15 for the selfie stick I actually cared about. It also comes with this mini tripod stand on the back of the charging case, so I guess that's pretty cool. It's one more button to start recording on this thing than a GoPro, so that's kind of frustrating. And when it does start recording, you have to squint to check the screen because there's no sound to notify you.
It is recording? What is it? It is recording? Yeah.
It vibrates, but when you're on the mountain, I couldn't really feel anything. Now let's talk about ease of use. It's easy, and quite frankly, I had a blast using it and passing it around to my friends. The kind of sucky part is that if you don't have the camera pointed at the right angle, you could potentially miss your whole shot. Like my friend Devin here when he hit this rail. Did you catch that? Me either. Regardless, the footage looks great and stabilized, so I can't complain here. And although this thing is pretty tough, the camera even stays in the charging unit even after I put a beating into it. Which makes me mention, I kinda wish the selfie stick had a wrist strap. In other instances, when a wipeout occurs, the charging unit closes and kinda misses the action of the fall. This is also kind of a bummer as well. Another downside to the camera is that on the mountain, you can never really film your friends unless you actually turn the camera around. A 360 cam would definitely come in handy and solve this issue. Things happen pretty quickly on the mountain and it's easy to miss something. As far as battery life and storage, if you keep the camera in the case, you'll always fill up the storage before you kill the battery. That's kind of wild.
Yeah.
When you're ready to view the footage on your phone, it's super easy with the Insta360 app, and this is where things get a little bit tricky. Allegedly, you have 2 ways to download your footage, on your phone or you can plug it into your computer. Personally, downloading it to my phone really doesn't help and just takes up a massive amount of space that I already don't have. And when I plug this into my Mac, it doesn't even recognize it. I even have the Insta360 Studio downloaded and everything is up to date. Let me know if anyone else is actually having this problem, and if you don't, let me know what you did to solve it. My workaround solution to getting the footage right now was plugging it into my PC, downloading the footage onto a hard drive, and then taking that hard drive and plugging it into my MacBook, which is pretty annoying. Overall, this is a cool camera. Would I recommend it for snowboarding? No. But I do think for $120 more, the One X 360 cam could answer a lot of these issues. I hope you guys enjoyed my very practical review of the Insta360 Go 2. Are you guys going to purchase this camera as well? Definitely let me know in the comments below. Good luck to everyone on winning this thing. I'll see you guys next week. Peace!